Yes. We're back in action. Well, I thought I'd make this video. I feel like the most important thing you can do is actually all of the stuff you do when you're not in the moment of the deal, when you're not in the arena, when you're not in the game. So I thought I'd make this video. It's huge, right? Most accountants, 9 to 5. Most taxpayers, 9 to 5. I mean, obviously, you get what I'm saying. When you're done with your hours, you don't all work 8 hours. Well, if you're a psycho savage, you want to build a huge firm, you work all the time. But no, I'm just messing around. But here's the thing. The big idea is that most people think their career is built between 9 and 5, and it's not true. The accountants who build the 6, 7, and even 8-figure firms, they're not just better at accounting. They spend their evenings becoming more valuable. They invest in skills that compound for years: communication, psychology, leadership, sales, business strategy, and even health. You have to understand that your income is determined less by what you do during business hours and more by who you're becoming after them. This shouldn't be a productivity video. It's all about your identity. Okay, it's all about what you do and how you view yourself and the way you view yourself, and then you'll do certain activities, and those certain activities lead to certain results. So it's all about the person you're becoming, not the money that you're making, right? So let's write this down. Lesson 1. This is what you need to start doing. You need to start studying people, not just numbers. So most accountants, you guys study tax laws, bookkeeping, compliance, and there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, you need to be up to date. That product knowledge gives you more certainty and more confidence. But guys, clients don't hire you because you know debits and credits. They hire you because they trust you. And trust is built through understanding people. Great accountants spend time learning, okay? Human psychology, write this down. I need to start learning human psychology, behavioral economics, communication, negotiation, influence, decision making. Because accounting solves financial problems and sales solves human problems, okay? The better you understand humans, the easier it becomes to earn trust. Write this down. Every financial decision is first an emotional decision. All right, let's go to lesson 2. They read business books. Write that down. They read business books. Okay? The people that you're trying to become and you look up to, they all read the business books. You need to start reading business books. Most accountants read accounting books. The best people in the business, the accountants, they study businesses, okay? Why? Because your clients don't wake up thinking, I hope my accounting reconciles my bank account. They wake up thinking, I need more cash, I need more profit, I need more customers, I need less stress. So you need to study marketing, leadership, pricing, operations, hiring, management, and economics. The better you understand business, the more valuable your conversations become. All right, let's go to lesson 3. You need to practice communication, okay? Most professionals assume communication naturally improves. It doesn't. Communication is a skill that pays, and you can kill with skill, right? Elite accountants practice speaking clearly, storytelling, okay? Explaining complex concepts simply, literally explain the way your services play out. Explain your strategies to yourself. Practice it, okay? And you need to get good at listening without interrupting. Pausing instead of rushing. Record yourself. Review presentations. Watch your own body language. Because expertise is worthless if people don't understand it, right? So you can't, the first time you're doing all this can't be in front of a prospect or the business owner. This is your income on the line. You need to practice this all off the phone. You need to learn more and read all the books. Okay, lesson 4, before I go down some crazy rabbit hole. Lesson 4, I got to stick to my plan. I got designed a plan for the video. Each time it takes me about 30-40 minutes to put these 10-minute videos together, all right? Here's lesson 4. Review your own sales calls. Review your own sales calls. The simplest way for me to put it is that the athletes watch the films, the quarterbacks watch the films, the fighters watch the films, yet accountants finish a consultation and you don't even listen to your presentation, right? It makes no sense. Hey, where did I lose rapport? What questions should I have asked? Did I interrupt? Did I explain too much? Did I rush pricing? Did I actually understand their goals? Every recorded conversation becomes free coaching for yourself. I mean, heck, record it, send it to me. I'll charge you. All right, I'll charge you. I'm not going to say a price because, I never know if someone watches this 10 years down the line. They'll want that price, right? Lesson 5. Stay current, okay? You got to stay current. The accounting profession changes constantly. You already know about it. AI, automation, Think QuickBooks, 30 years ago, okay? Tax legislation, advisory, software, client expectations. The accountants winning tomorrow are learning today. Clients don't expect perfection, they expect leadership. If you're the person bringing new ideas before they ask, you become indispensable. And that's what the game's all about. Lesson 6, all right? Build your personal brand. I can't stress this enough. Right? The modern accountant cannot rely solely on referrals. People buy people. They Google you. They watch your videos. They read your posts. They visit your website. Every piece of content answers one question. Can I trust this person with my business? And teaching online creates it creates so much trust for you. It's insane. Trust that happens way before the actual interaction between you two ever occur. I'd rather have a bunch of trust build up instead of me having to do it in the call. All right, lesson 7. Guys, take care of your health. Okay, your brain is your greatest business asset. There's no better way to put it. If your energy is low, if your thinking is slow, okay? If your communication weakens, guess what? Your patience disappears, okay? Great accountants understand this, that sleep improves judgment, exercise improves confidence, nutrition improves focus, energy creates influence. Clients don't buy the smartest accountant. They often buy the one who communicates with the most confidence and the most clarity. So you've got to take care of your health. You got to work out. You got to go on walks. You got to get interactive. You need to do things out of the house. Do yard work, like take a walk, read a book. You should read like 3 to 5 books a day. Listen to the books, like whatever it is. Drink a ton of water. Stop eating fast food. Like make your food at home. Like do all these things, because it's not about saving money or any of that stuff. It's about taking care of your body. So that when the healthier your brain is, the healthier your diet is, the more you move, the more you articulate, the sharper you are, the better that you can think through problems and provide strategies on the rip, because there's no brain fog. Like you gotta attack it. The more sleep deprived you are, the better. Or the more sleep deprived you are, the less you are able to provide better solutions for people. Your thinking isn't clear. The cogs aren't churning. Baby, there's grease in them. Got to put WD-40 on it. What's the WD-40? The sleep, the nutrition, the fitness. And I would even go as far to say you need to be spiritual. And whatever it is, that's great. I don't have anything against any religion at all. If it's not religion, maybe you believe in a higher power. But understand this, mind, body, soul. So if you can get in tune with that, boy, you'll have no fear and you'll attack everything at the top, like a savage, like a lion, like a shark, like a tiger, like a bear. That's how you want to be. All right, let's go to lesson 8. You have to protect your environment. I don't know how to stress that enough. Your environment determines your standards. If every night is spent scrolling social media, your thinking becomes average. Elite accountants intentionally surround themselves with great books, great mentors, successful entrepreneurs, educational podcasts, these videos you're watching of mine. I'll say this, I don't watch sports. I swapped entertainment with education a long time ago. And boy, is it just, the trajectory has gone insane, right? I'm able to really do anything I want to do, right? In terms of helping coach people and their sales skills, that's what I'm referring to right now. Because I can identify personality. So how? Learning. All through learning. Guys, the standards I had, they raised for myself. Now they're contagious among my sales team. They read books, they work out, they can't help themselves. Now they all have high results, right? The people around you quietly shape the level that you'll accept from yourself. So the people around you are huge. My environment's huge, a clean environment. You should clean all the time. Your yard work should be good. Like your car should be clean. You should wake up every morning, take care of yourself. These are all things that give you confidence when you go into sales calls. Before you even give you confidence to do outreach, right? All those things. So I'll end the video with this. So it's not too long of a video. The greatest investment I believe that a human being can make in themselves isn't another software subscription, isn't some stupid monitor you can get at Best Buy, not another certification you can get at our wonderful school. But it's becoming the kind of person clients naturally trust. So remember this, your firm grows in direct proportion to your personal growth. The work you do after hours determines the confidence, wisdom, and leadership you bring during business hours. If you commit to becoming just 1% better every single day, not only as an accountant, but as a communicator, advisor, business leader, a parent, a sibling, a son, a daughter, you just won't build a better firm. You'll become the kind of professional clients seek out, refer, and stay with for decades, right? So check us out at Universal Accounting Center. Been around almost 50 years. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.